In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily deactivate call forwarding on your Android smartphone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to open up Phone app. After that, tap right here at these three dots and then go to Settings. Now, guys, here we are looking for the option Supplementary Services. It will take some time for this data to load, and once it is done, then tap right here at Call Forwarding. Right here we can set up numbers to forward when we are busy, unanswered, or unreachable. We can set a separate number for each of these categories in that simple way. Just tap at any category and then set your number here, and also that's where you can easily turn these off. And also here we can forward any call to that particular number by setting it up here at Always Forward, and also that's where we can turn off this feature. If you have here some number, then hit at Turn Off to disable call forwarding on your smartphone. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.